DHS asked the Supreme Court to uphold cancellation of a visa over a sham marriage.
This is Dr. David Shine, and welcome to Business Law 101.
In an unusual report covered by the Epoch Times, the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, has asked the U.S. Supreme Court to confirm the cancellation of a visa based on a sham marriage. In the United States, one of the more direct ways to gain legal status in the U.S. is, of course, to marry a U.S. citizen. The facts are a bit complicated. DHS rescinded the immigrant visa of non-citizen Ayaya Hamaya. He is married to Amina Bonafara, who is a U.S. citizen. He is to have fathered 3 children with Amina, all of whom are U.S. citizens in turn. The rub is that the DHS determined that Hamaya has attempted to pass off his prior marriage as legit in order to obtain a green card. Aha. However, that marriage was apparently not legit. Therefore, he was found to have engaged in fraud. This caused a domino effect of the current marriage to Buafara being deemed fraudulent. As a consequence, his visa, which had been approved by DHS, has now been revoked. The legal aspect behind this is interesting. DHS took the position that its ruling is discretionary, which means that it cannot be challenged in court. There is a split of authorities of the federal courts of appeal on whether discretionary decisions like this can be reviewed by the courts. So far, the U.S. District Court and then the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals have both ruled in favor of DHS. So the wife, or mother, if you will, has appealed to SCOTUS, where the case will be presented for the October docket. Now, keep in mind, SCOTUS hears very few of the many cases presented to it. However, the fact that there is a split of the circuit courts means that the High Court will probably hear it. However, the justices could also make a quick ruling upholding the prior 2 federal courts and not having a hearing. Frankly, as much as I hate people violating the law, I do not like to hear 3 children being denied a father, since he would be here illegally and therefore likely deported if DHS's determination is upheld. I wonder if there's an alternative punishment for this person. That is, if this man is otherwise a law-abiding citizen in more than a decade that he's been in the United States. Watch for ruling in this case. This is Dr. David D. Shine for Business Law 101. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe on your favorite platform.